In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an order on WhatsApp button on WooCommerce. This is really useful if you want your customers to contact you directly on WhatsApp to ask questions or even place orders right from your store pages. We're going to use a free plugin, and I'll walk you through everything slowly so you can follow along on your own WordPress site. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the plugins option, hover your mouse over it, and then click on Add Plugin. This is where you can search for and install new functionality for your website. At the top right, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type the word WhatsApp. Then press Enter on your keyboard. WordPress will show you a list of plugins related to WhatsApp. From the results, look for a plugin called Social Chat. Click to Chat App button and click on its name to open the details page. On the right-hand side of that page, you'll see the option to install and then activate the plugin. Click the button to install it, wait a few seconds, and once it's finished, activate it. After activation, WordPress will take you back to the list of your installed plugins. Scroll through that list until you find Social Chat, and then click the settings link that appears under its name. This will open the plugin's main dashboard inside WordPress. You'll land on the settings area by default. Here, you can configure how the WhatsApp button behaves. Under Contact, choose the type of contact you want to use, then enter your WhatsApp number in full international format, including your country code but without any special characters. You can also customize the default message that will be sent when someone clicks the button. This is a great place to add something like a friendly greeting or a prompt to include their order details. Next, adjust the availability settings. Set your time zone so messages line up with your working hours, then choose which hours and days you want to appear available. You can also decide how WhatsApp opens for desktop visitors, such as using WhatsApp Web. When you are happy with these settings, scroll down and click Save at the bottom right. Now switch to the Visibility tab. This section controls exactly where and on which devices your WhatsApp button will appear. First, decide which devices should show the button. For example, desktop, mobile, or both. Then look for the target options to choose which WordPress pages should display or hide the button. Under Post Types, select whether you want the button to appear on posts, pages, or WooCommerce products. If you want finer control, use the Taxonomy section to manage visibility by categories, choosing which categories to include. Once you've finished configuring these visibility options, scroll down again and click Save at the bottom right. Your order on WhatsApp button is now set up on your WooCommerce store and ready for customers to use.